Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm in ARTA at the moment and I'm near the ARTA Castle, which you can see behind me right there. And there's a clock tower, that thing's a clock tower. But I've come down and do a bit of shopping, so we'll just explore the castle. Let's take a look. As you can see there. And it goes along that way. So we're in the central town of Greece, central western Greece. And that is ARTA, the town, or part of it. You can't see it all obviously from here. So let's go for a walk inside, see what we can find. Castro Artas, Castle of ARTA, there you go. Castle of ARTA. Big doors. Okay, I'm inside there. I was just talking to the lady at the front there. She says you can't actually climb up the walls. There you go. How good is that? That's the front door. We're actually inside the castle at the moment, and if you have a look at the map here, it shows you we're here, right there. So the castle goes all the way around. All the way around there, so it's a pretty big castle, and it's obviously the grounds inside, which used to be a prison for years. I did read ages ago, it used to be a prison. The castle of city of ARTA were occupied by the Ottomans in 1449 after a treaty. From 1796 to 1820 the castle remained under the rule of Ali Pasha of Ioannina, who repaired it and improved it. So obviously while the Ottomans were here. It's an pretty old castle. There you go, you can see the photo of the castle going around. But unfortunately we can't go up on the walls, all through that door there, and go into the keep, I think they call it, the other part of the castle. But we can have a look around the grounds, see what we can see. So we can't go up, but at least I can show you the walls at least. There you go. So they've got them blocked off. When I was here last, you could actually walk up there, but obviously they've closed it off, which is a shame. Used to be able to walk all the way up there and actually get a great view of ARTA. For some reason, obviously someone's had a fall. This building is within the grounds of the castle, so we're smack in the middle of it. As I mentioned earlier, it was a prison at one stage. Looks like an apartment complex, which has been abandoned by the looks of it. I could hear people mowing the lawn, trimming all the hedges and the trees. Now there's a little chapel at the back here, which we'll go have a look. Obviously, not sure when this was built, but it looks a lot newer than the castle itself. So obviously, probably only 100 or 200 years old by the looks of it. Little chapel. I was just speaking to the lady in the castle, and she told me that basically the reason why we can't actually go up on the walls or inside that keep area, which is a big section there, is because they're doing renovations to the castle, and well, not renovating it, but I suppose they're fixing it all up because it's so many years old, I guess. Needs a bit of fixing, and they're worried that there's certain parts of it that are collapsing that might fall on people, so they've blocked everything off. But as you can see, the outer wall, now that clock tower is separate to the castle, you can see there. But yeah, I remember a few years ago I could actually climb up to the top and you could actually see the city of ARTA. So you had a great view of the city, but obviously you can't go up there now. So I'm just walking downhill now. There's that clock tower there, you can see. Not sure if it works. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sadly we couldn't go up there on the castle walls, but stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you soon. Bye bye.